Yeah.
Okay, we are now recording. So tell all your friends hey that aren't on here. Say hey.
Hello.
Hey.
We miss everyone. Okay, so we're going to start off in prayer and then we'll get started and see what we can get accomplished. Miss Lackey is here today, so she will be on after me. Okay, so make sure no one needs me. My little watch is just, oh goodness, hold on. Let me find my phone. Someone's wanting to know if something changed. Okay, so obviously you guys use the exact same password and username as every other time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some days, electronics. Oh, no. Someone
Miss
says that
Ross?
they can't get on. Yes, Bailey.
While you guys were talking, I was finishing a science paper.
Good job. You're on it so early this morning.
Because on Thursday, I'm going to go spend the night with my grandma. And then on Friday, I'm spending the night with Nina. So I have to do a lot.
Got to do it
Well,
early so
Sarah,
you can get it done.
On Saturday, my parents are going on a marriage retreat.
Ooh.
So I'm going to my nana's. We're going to sleep there for about 2 nights.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
That will be nice. Did y'all take your science test?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
My mom
good.
said she
I
thinks
did.
I got 100.
You got 100.
That's what she thinks.
Well, you should because you had the book and your study guide. So I hope you made 100. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, so today it's Tuesday, right? I know what day it is. Okay, so it says for your Bible, you're doing lesson number 24. It's the same thing as worksheet page 43 and 44. And you're going to read in your Bible from Numbers chapter 11, verse 3 through 34 when you get a chance, okay? And then you have a math worksheet. And then in your science book, you're going to read pages 25 through 27. It's super short today for science. And then complete your worksheet, okay? So your science shouldn't take you too long. I think we're starting warm-blooded animals, which is super fun. So hopefully we'll be back in school so we can do a project at some point. Yes, Bailey.
I think what I was doing, I was finishing all my science for this week.
You're just
That
on
was
it.
my last paper for science this week.
You're on it. Well, good. You already did some of the stuff with warm-blooded animals, didn't you?
Mhm. I
Good.
just finished it.
You taking your hair down this morning?
Miss Rocks.
Okay. Yes, Carson.
Miss Rocks.
Okay. Go ahead, Carson. Then Corbin, I'll get you next. Go ahead, Carson.
We're going to be talking to each other on Zoom the rest of the year.
No, I hope not. Don't you be saying that.
Well, if there's a case in 2nd grade and also in 4th grade.
I know, but we just gotta pray that maybe this is just a little uphill and we're gonna go back down with it, hopefully, and it'll start to go away again, we hope. We just gotta pray harder and harder because it's no fun. But yeah, we should be back in school. We're just gonna have to make sure we're not in each other's faces and stuff like that. And we can do that. That's not a big deal. Don't be going out with people that you don't know, things like that. So, okay, Corbin, what do you need to know?
I don't need to know anything, but I'm pretty sure that I only have English. Then I'm done for the whole week.
You've already done all your math papers?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Coraline, last question.
How many papers do we have?
It's all on your little listy right here. You follow your little paper that I gave you. It tells you what to do each day, but if you know how to do it and you want to do it sooner than that, that's fine. This is just your guideline so you don't get overwhelmed and try to do it all at once. Okay. So, okay, we're going to get started so we don't keep wasting time. Okay, so we are reviewing a little bit of regrouping, renaming, whatever we want to call it. Okay, so if I have a set of, what is this? What do we call this?
10.
A 10 stick, right? Or a set of 10, right? One set of 10. Okay, so if I wanted to rename this to ones, how many ones blocks would I need to make it be equal? How many, Coraline?
10
10.
ones.
10 ones blocks. Okay, so I'll let you look up here. So this 10 stick is the same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
1,
10.
and 10.
And
That's
if I
right.
put them all end to end, it would be exactly the same length. It's because I left space in between. So 10 ones blocks is the same as a set of 10, okay? So when we don't have enough ones to subtract and we go and steal a set of 10, we change it to 10 ones blocks. Okay, what if
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
What if I don't have enough 10 sticks and I've got to borrow? Okay, so from the hundreds place, where did my set of 100 go? Here he is. So this is our set of 100, right? Right? How many of these do I need to make 100? You know? How many, Coraline?
10.
10, right? 10 ones blocks makes one set of 10. 10 sticks makes a set of 100. So it's always 10, okay? So that makes it easy. Okay, to go to the next place values. I'm gonna get rid of these. You can actually count by tens to make sure you get it right, okay? So let's count by tens as we go. You ready? 10, 20, 30. Not that one. That one doesn't have sticky on it. 30, 40, 50, 60,
Are these on the paper?
70, 80, 90.
100.
Almost 100. Okay, so 10 sticks gives us a set of 100, right? So if I have to borrow a set of 100 and I got to change it to tens, I've got to put 10 of these to make the same thing, okay? To rename it. Okay, so now that we've got that, we're going to go and we're going to practice just a little bit. Yes, Coraline?
Next time we do this, can you let the kids say 100, please?
Want me to count again?
No.
No.
Too late. They're already starting.
Okay. She's a hoot. How many's on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say hey. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
Good. Awesome. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Let Miss Rox get back to her lesson. Okay, so now we're going to get rid of all this since we got that. So 10 ones blocks makes a set of 10. 10 sticks makes a set of what?
100.
Makes a set of what?
We've already said that like
100.
Carson, I'm just trying to make sure you know it. Don't you be sassy with me. I'm just picking.
You're always sassy.
Who? I'm not.
Woman's called me
Nobody.
sassy.
Don't talk about your teacher like that. Okay, Max, you better quit smiling.
I can't help it. I'm
Can't quit
smiling.
because he's at the beach and all the rest of us are here.
Now I'm right here. I can't stop smiling because I'm always smiling.
We're not jealous at all. I'm just sitting in this wonderful cold classroom alone. So much fun. Now I have Miss Lackey. I do have Miss Lackey now, so it's better. Okay, you ready? We're going to practice. This is problem number 1 on your worksheet. Your worksheet is page number 45. So if you get that out, you can write the answers with me as I do it. Free answers, free answers. Come one and all, free answers.
I already go.
I already
Hilarious.
finished that. What's it?
Okay, Bailey.
Was it?
Run away. That's it. Whoever showed me their paper. Bethany. That's Carson. Your mom's name. Okay, Bailey, what you need? That's it, Coraline.
In math.
I was trying to put it on my clipboard. I was
Yes.
getting through clipboard.
That's the one we're going to do. I'll do that one together.
You gotta make a noise for
Hear me, Bailey? I said we're going to do that problem together.
Yeah, I know, but do you have to always use these, or is it an option? Or
I'm going to do it with you so you can use them. So just watch me.
I already did it, but
Wrong one, Bailey, not Bailey.
Bailey, you better know how to do it too.
Miss Dyson's getting on you. Okay.
I'm listening in.
Did you find your paper, Maddie?
What
Is everybody
page number
ready?
is it, Miss Rock?
Well, Aubrey.
Miss Rocks.
What? Who's
Miss
talking?
Rocks.
Wave at me. What, Corbin?
Never mind. What page number?
45. That starts with a 4 and ends in a 5.
14.
You never told us this number.
Not 14, 44.
Okay, I'm getting started. I hope you can find it. If not, just write it in your brain. Okay, so number 1 is 243 minus 17. Okay, this is just like what you did yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to, my bigger number, that's what I'm going to draw all this place value with, because this is how many I'm taking away. Okay, so that's what I'm Xing out. This is what I'm drawing. So 2 sets of 100, 4 sets of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 ones blocks, minus 17. Okay, so now Miss Rocks rewrote it because she doesn't like it like this. She likes to line up her place values. Okay, so can I do 3 take away 7?
No.
No, so you're going to have
Yes.
to borrow from the 4. You're going to have to borrow from the 40.
Okay,
Cross
so
out the
I
4, make it a
cannot-
3.
Yeah, okay, we're going to do that. Yep, you're right. Okay, so I cannot do this. So I got to go next door to my neighbor, and I got to ask him, hey, can I borrow a set of 10? And he says,
Sure.
so I get rid of the 4, take the 3, and so that's a
Even
set
your
of
elbow.
10 is the same as 10 ones blocks. So it's like 3 plus 10, which changes this to 13. Whatever this number is, you always just put a 1 in front of it. You don't even have to add it. Always just put a 1 in front of this number when you're borrowing, okay? Because this is the 10th place. You took away a set of 10. So you're going to put the 1 in the 10th place. All right, so 13 minus 7 is what? 13 minus 7 is what, Coraline? 6. Good girl. 6. Okay, so let me show this on my chart. So I didn't have enough here, so I took this set of 10 and moved him over here. So I drew my 10 in, right? So now this is when I took away my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. That's what we wrote. Okay. Now we're to our tens place. Okay. So I've already used this one because I moved him over here. So he's not there anymore. So now I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Take away one of those. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of one more. Okay. And how many am I left with?
2.
2. Good job. So 3 take away 1 is 2. And then I have 2 take away nothing, which means it's
2.
how much?
2.
2. So your answer should be 226. Does that make
Number
sense? Yes, number 1, 226. So you could write it over here on your, because you have a straight line. You can write the answer right there like that. Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, next one. Now we are changing to renaming a set of 100 to 10 sticks. Okay, so it's the same thing. So we're going to start here. Okay, so remember the first number is the one you're drawing all your blocks for. So 400, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 400. In the tens place, I have 1 10 stick. In the ones place, I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I've got. All right, so 5 take away 9. Can I do that?
Ray.
No, I can't. So I got to go next door, right? And I got to ask my neighbor, hey, can I borrow from you? And he says,
No.
sure. Why not? Okay. So I'm going to put a 0 here because I borrowed the 1. There's no more left. I'm going to take him next door. Change my 5 to a 15, right? Just put a 1 in front of the 5. Then 15 take away 9 is how many?
14.
Couple
14.
wait, couple hundred.
Who said 6? 6 is right. Yep, 6. So this is where I took away my set of 10. I brought him over here. I took away
Ray.
9 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that shows me I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left, which is what y'all just said. So now, do I have any left in my tens section?
No.
No, so 0 take away 0 is just 0,
Yeah.
right? And then in my hundreds, 4 take away one of these leaves me with how many left?
3.
1, 2, 3. Good. So your answer there should be 306. That makes sense?
So the answer is 306.
Yep. Okay,
Hey,
you good with
I
that?
didn't know your mama cut hair.
Huh?
He's got the hair thing behind him.
Oh, yeah, she does. Yeah. Okay, let's do, I'm going to skip down, as I forgot to draw this one, but we're going to skip down and do number 8, okay?
Number 8 on your paper.
Hey, what are you doing now?
I already done all.
What is it, Ken? What are you doing here?
Mrs. Rocks, what have I heard?
I'm back. Okay, so I understand that I have number 3, 4, 5, 6 written here, but I'm going to skip down and do number 8 because that shows us how to rename a set of 100. So I want to go over that first. These are just like what we just did, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, let's just do these and then we'll do number 8. I keep changing my mind. Happens a lot with teachers. We can't decide what we want to do. Okay. Number 3. You ready? Someone tell me what to do. I want you to teach me. So I want to see if you know it. Who can tell me what to do on number 3? Okay, Maddie, tell us what to do. Talk loud.
So you have to 2 minus 4. You can't do that. So you have to mark out the 2 and replace it with a 12. And you mark out the 6, replace it with a 5. Minus 4 is 8. 5 minus 3 equals 3.
5 minus 3 equals what?
2.
Good girl. Everybody understand what she did?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, who wants to do number 4? Okay, Bailey Baker, do number 4.
So you need to mark, you can't do 7 minus 8, so mark out the 9, put an 8, and then mark out the 7 and put a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1.
Everybody get that?
Wait.
Corbin?
Can I do the next one?
Yes, you can try. I think hopefully everybody can hear you. You doing number 5?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So first you cross out 4 and make it a 3.
Cause why? You can't take away 2 from 4, right?
Right. And you cross out that, make it a 3, and cross out 2 and make it a 12. And subtract 12 from 4.
Yes.
12. 9, 8. Sorry. 12, 11, 10, 8.
Good.
8. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And just put 1.
Oh, wait.
Because you're not minusing anything.
So it stays the same, just 1. Okay, Carson, you have a problem?
No, so I was looking at Corbin's screen, then all of a sudden I saw a big old M on the page.
Something happens. Does everybody understand number 5? Give me a thumbs up if you're good.
Can I do the next one?
Ask me. Aubrey?
Yeah.
Okay, Aubrey.
Yeah.
Go ahead, number 6.
You have to take away the 0 and put a 10
Okay, why?
because 0 is less than 1. And you got to take the 10 from, mark out the 5 and put a 4 because you took out the 10 from the 5. And then 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 7 minus 4 is 3.
10.
Did everybody get that? Okay,
Yeah.
good. Now, we truly are going to skip down. I'm going to let you do 7 on your own. We're going to skip down to number 8, okay? Well, you can go ahead and be doing number 7 while I write down number 8, and you can tell me the answer. And we'll make sure it's right, okay? While I write down number 8, y'all do number 7 on your paper.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Six. Miss Rocks. Miss Rocks.
Uh-huh.
I got the problem written
Okay.
down. Can I?
Second.
Not sure.
What do I need to write? I need to write. I didn't draw that way. Well, it's okay.
We're silent.
I'm almost done.
What is that?
What?
What is that?
A dollhouse.
No, I made this.
Oh. Yeah, that's good.
Ooh.
You paint it, Aubrey? No. No? I put paper in it. And I cut
Okay.
out cardboard.
Okay, I'm back. Can everybody hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
number 8, 326 minus 175. So I drew 3 sets of 100, 2 sets of 10, and 6 ones blocks, okay? So, can I take 6 from 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and what would that answer be?
One.
1.
1, good. Okay, so 6, take away 5. Let me get my red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaves us with 1. Good. Okay, so 10 here. Can I do 2 from 7?
Yes. Yes.
I can take 2 from 7?
No.
No.
No, I can't. Okay. So I got to go next door to my hundreds place and say, can I borrow a set of 100? And he says, sure you can. So my 3 goes down 1 set of 100. So just 2 sets of 100 now. And now how many sets of 100? How many sets of 10 are in a set of 100?
1.
No?
10.
10 sticks, right? So I've got to change my 2, just the same as the ones place, but I'm going to change it to a 12. Okay. No. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so now 12 take away 7 is what? Count up from 7, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 5. Nobody's listening. 5. Okay. Then 2 take away 1 is 1. So your answer should be 151.
It's 1.
So you just rename the same way. Okay. So here's drawing the picture. I got rid of this set of 100. I moved him over here, and he changed to 10 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so then it was 12, take away 7. So then I'd get rid of 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. That's where my 5 came from. Then
Miss
I had
Ross,
2, take away 1 of them. I only had 1 left.
Miss Ross,
Yes?
I got 141.
You must have did 12. What did you say 12 minus 7 was?
I don't have any 141s on mine.
So 6 take away 5 is 1. You can't do 2 from 7. So you got to go over here to your 3.
Too many.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
So you
no.
got-
No, I didn't. Because one of them was already gone. Wait, what?
One of what was already gone. No, you
Yeah,
didn't
what-
take anything from here to go to your ones place. So you could do 6 take away 5. You didn't have to rename anything there. That was 1. So then you came to your 10s place, and 2 take away 7 you can't do. You had to go to the 100s place and borrow 1. Change the 2 to a 3. Take what you borrowed right here. Okay, so then be 12 take away 7.
Yeah, I just had I took away one too many.
Okay. So is everybody good with that?
Yep.
Do we need to do number 9 together? Give me a thumbs up if you want number 9. So everybody's good? Okay, so finish the math by yourself. If you have any problems, you can have your parents call me and I will help you, okay? And you can relook at this video.
Miss Rocks.
Yes?
I need a little help on 9.
Or 9. Okay. Well, I'll do it real quick. Let me see if you can see it on the board. That way I don't have to use another sheet of paper. Maybe I can do it this way. Let's see. Maybe I can do it this way. Okay. Number 9 is 429. Take away 367. Nice. So I'm going to start my ones place, right? So 9 take away 7 is how many, Corbin?
It is 7, 8, 9, 3.
No? Just
I mean
2.
2.
So 7, 8, 9. Yeah, just 2. Now, can I do 2 take away 6?
Yeah, no.
No, so I got to go over here to my hundreds place, borrow 1 from my neighbor, changes 4 to a 3, changes 2 to a 12, right? So 12 take away 6 is,
6. It's
and 3 take away 3 is
0.
nothing. So I don't even write down that 0 because it's going to look silly. So you don't write a 0 on this end. You just leave it blank. 62. Okay. So this 12 represents that you have 12 10 sticks. That's what that represents. You took 10 sticks here and you put them here. So 10 sticks plus 2 more gives you 12. Does that make sense?
yes.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, if you have any other problems, you can have your parents call me and I'll help you, okay? Finish that on your own. Do your best. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and Miss Lackey is coming to do her part. Sounds good? Miss you guys. Love you.
So you don't leave.
Wait, guys, be
So
quiet
you
for a
don't
minute.
leave the.
She's still there.
Can you explain it again? Corbin?
We don't leave the Zoom.
No, stay here. Miss Lackey's going to talk to you. Don't
Stay
leave.
here.
Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place. This is Miss Lackey. Don't go away.
Okay.
I don't know.
Sorry.
English.
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 All right, can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Some of it. Oh my goodness.
I don't even know what to tell you with them.
Can y'all see all of that? Not all of it. You see most of it?
Yeah.
Daddy, get my English. No, my English is in my
Aubrey.
English is not my room. It's in my green thing.
Order quick. Story time.
Hey Aubrey.
You guys have page 26 and 27 of English?
Miss Lackey,
Yes.
for that sheet of work, were you supposed to copy what it was at the top, or?
What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
This?
Of the worksheet.
I don't
Are you
see
talking
mine
about-
right.
Let me see. Can
Did you
hold it?
say?
Miss Lackey.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Aubrey.
Me and my mom got confused about the English papers.
We're gonna go over it today. make it a little less confusing. We're going to take it a little slower because it's a lot, and so we're going to take it day by day so we don't get confused.
Wait, I gotta get my English book.
Okay.
Miss Lucky, which pages?
Page 26 and 27.
Worksheet?
Worksheet, yes. Give me a thumbs up when you have pages 26 and 27. All right, Carmen.
At the top of the worksheet, does it say like have to put monkey in the middle?
I completed work.
Miss Lucky,
Yes.
were you supposed to
What?
Were you supposed to do this? What it said up?
We're going to do that together today. Did you already do it?
I got
Yeah,
it.
I already did it.
Yeah,
Y'all already did it?
Yeah.
I think we were supposed to do this for Monday.
Let me look at my computer.
I know, and I told Miss Rocks told you guys to push it back to today because I wasn't here yesterday.
My mom made me.
Okay, well, we're going to just go back over it together.
I
If you've
can't
already done it, it's
find
okay.
it.
And if you
I
haven't
can't
done it,
Miss Rocks, Miss Lackey,
yes.
is this the page?
You want it a little bit
I don't-
closer?
I don't think that's it.
That should be page 26 with the boy with the computer.
Oh,
Yeah.
then no,
That's
I
page
have the wrong
26.
paper.
Okay.
Miss Lucky, I have the wrong paper.
We already did that.
This is page 27.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got that.
Already done 27.
Miss Lucky. Oh,
Okay. This is not.
where is 27?
I did page 27.
It's okay. We're going to kind of go back over it just in case some people are confused because I think
Hold on.
I wanted to do that with you guys because it is a little confusing. So just watch as we go over it, okay, Bailey?
I can't find 27.
Were we supposed to write what it put up here?
No, that's not exactly what we were going to do. That was just up at the top as an example that we can follow. So you'll
Is this
see.
it?
When we start it, you'll see it.
Are these it, Miss Lackey?
I did not.
I couldn't find mine.
Page 27.
Yeah, I couldn't find mine.
Okay, that's fine. You're going to go over this with me, okay? We're going to do this together. So is everybody ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to start.
Is
Good.
it page 27 or
Page 27.
26?
We're going to start with page 27, then we're going to go back and look at page 26, okay? So give me a thumbs up when you have page 27 in front of you. Okay. Good, good, good.
Oh.
So, I don't know if you guys remember last Friday when you were here. If you weren't here, that's okay. But we talked about the writing process. Do you remember I was talking about this?
Yeah, but I couldn't really see it because
Couldn't
my
see it.
screen was blurry.
Gotcha. Well, the very first one is planning. Okay, so that's what this is up here. This is the planning stage of the writing process. So today we're going to do the planning stage and we're going to try and do the drafting stage, okay? It should be pretty quick and we're going to do it all together, okay? So,
Do not do it.
all right, so what I want us to do as a class all together, I want us to decide what game we want to write about. It needs to be a game that we all know how to play, like tag or hide and seek.
Square.
Foursquare is great. I love Foursquare.
Oh, sure. We all played in PE.
Yeah, give a
Foursquare.
thumbs up if you want to do Foursquare. Write about Foursquare. Awesome. I think majority is in for Foursquare. Cool. Okay. So if you have not filled out your time order chart, the page 27, then you can fill it out now, okay? If you did fill it out, just follow along with me, okay? All right, so the very first thing that we're going to write about says how to play. So we're going to write Foursquare. Okay, that's the topic that we're going to talk about. Okay, now what materials do we need? What do we need to play Foursquare? Carmen?
Ball.
A ball.
The ball. Okay, do we need anything else? Haley? Haley?
A group of friends.
Group of friends. Good. Do we need anything else? Ella?
You need a square.
Need how many squares?
4.
We need 4 squares. Okay, so we need 4 squares. Ball. And we need how many friends do we need to play Foursquare? We have us, right? So how many more do we need?
3.
We need 3 more, so we need 3 friends. That's what you should put in your materials needed is 4 squares, 1 ball, and 3 friends.
By 3 friends, there's 4 squares.
If you're playing, you plus 3 friends is how many?
4.
4. You knew that.
Miss Wacky.
Yeah.
Miss Wacky.
Yes.
How do you spell square? How do you spell squares?
SQUARES.
Squares.
Okay.
4 squares.
Now, I want us to pay close attention to on page 27. I want you to look up at the top once you have that written, okay?
Miss Black,
Yes, Max.
I've already done this paper.
Did you copy the top part and the bottom part? What's it say on there?
I made up a computer game.
Oh, that's awesome, buddy. You did that. All right, great. Well, can you stay with us on this, and then we're gonna write a paragraph together, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, is everybody looking at the top of page 27? Give me a thumbs up if you are. All right. So it says, before you begin to write, you must plan the order of your paragraph. Okay, so it shows us a little example up there, right? It has monkey in the middle, it has 2 balls and a group of friends. And then it gives us those time order words, first, second, then, next, when, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to fill out today with the game of Foursquare, okay? So what time order word needs to go right here? What time order word needs to go right there? Carmen?
First,
First, yeah. So everybody make sure you write the word
Indeed, ball.
first. Okay. So what's the first thing we need to do in Foursquare?
Get in the squares.
Yes, we step into the squares.
Yeah.
Does everybody agree with that? Wave if you agree with that. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is
Maddie, she said wave.
very first thing we do. All right. What's our? I'm gonna give y'all a second to write that. Okay.
wait.
Wacky, I can't write yours down. I can only write it down when you're talking. And I
Okay.
can only see the crazy scene right now.
Okay. Okay, so did you write
Okay, now
in
I
the
can see
very
you.
first one? Time order word was the word first.
We
Oh,
have
that's
numbers.
And then in the big rectangle, it says step into the squares.
Okay.
Aubrey?
Does McRae's parents keep talking?
It has
And
it's numbered the green squares. It's numbered the squares.
Number the squares.
It's numbered our squares on our paper.
What do you mean numbered your squares?
The paper numbered our squares.
Paper number. Oh, it did number your squares. Yep, absolutely. Good. Okay, so the second one, time order word. What's our next time order word? Look up in the box above our chart. Ella?
Second.
Second. Good. Everybody write the word second. Second. All right, so what do you do second? So after you step into the square, what's going to come next after you step into the square?
Everybody tells different ways as far as what you're supposed to do.
Second,
Because
guys.
Mark's work, when they called him back, they were like, so when are you coming back to work? And he's like, what do you think so when I'm
Hey, McCrae,
He tells me when I'm supposed
you
to.
on mute, buddy?
They were like,
Am I on mute?
the one guy said,
You on mute?
hey, from the
It don't say I am.
It's all right. All right, so what's the second thing that we do, guys?
you get
Ella?
your well,
You.
you choose okay, so
You
you
get
get
your
your
ball.
corner and then you pass the ball.
Okay, so the second thing we do is after we get into the squares, we like hit the ball to each other.
Yes.
Okay. Does a certain person start with the ball?
Yeah. The
Who
king
starts
does.
with the ball?
And it has to hit it to the square in diagonal to it.
Okay, so the ball starts with the king.
Yeah.
Okay, so they step into the squares, and then the king starts with the ball.
Queen,
And it,
Jack. So the king always passes it to the Jack, and then yeah, pass it to the Jack every time, and then
King starts with the ball.
Starts.
Flaky, I can't see the board.
You can't see it. How about now?
the king starts with the ball.
The king starts with the ball. That's our second one.
Starts with McCrae, I can only see your screen. I can't see anybody's else.
Carson, can you see me now?
Yeah, now I can. Every time you talk, I can. But like when you're writing, I can't see you because McCrae's parents are talking, and then I can only see McCrae.
All right. Wave at me when you got that part.
Well, they said right now, our guy,
Good. All right. All right. Hey, McCrae, I'm going to put you on mute, buddy, but if you need me, just wave at me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Is that a little bit better, guys?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay,
That's
good.
better.
Awesome. All right. So now, what's our next time order word? Ella?
Then,
Is it
Third.
not
third.
third? Look up at our page on page 27. What comes after second?
Third.
Third.
Not third.
it says
And-
then.
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 Yes. Yes.
I said then.
Okay, so first we step into the square. Second, the king starts with the ball. Then, what does the king do?
Passes the ball to Jack.
Passes the ball to the jack.
Okay, so then the king, we're going to say hits the ball to
Ball.
Jack.
Did you hear that? No, like just.
Y'all see that a little bit better now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Use the bathroom.
Wave at me when you have that written down. Awesome. Thanks, guys. All right. What's our next time order word?
Next.
Next.
Next. Look at that. Next. Okay. So the king hits the ball to the jack. Ooh. And then next, well, after he hits the ball to the jack, what happens?
The
That's
jack
what-
hits the
I mean,
ball to
that's
someone
what I
else.
The jack hits it to somebody else.
All right. So
That's
next,
what I said.
the jack hits it to someone. Okay. Oh. The jack hits it to someone.
Let me write that. Someone. One. Guy got it.
Thumbs up when you got that written.
Get that door shut.
Okay. All right. So, Alexandra, is that you down there, babe? Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Come on, Alexandra. I don't know if she can hear me. All right. Now the last one. What's our last time order word?
When?
When.
When?
So we're playing Foursquare. The king hits it to the jack, and then the jack's hitting it around. So how do we continue the game? When does somebody win? Bailey?
Like, once somebody gets somebody out, but by like bouncing it twice in somebody else's square or something.
Okay, so how about when when you bounce it in someone's square twice, they are out.
Mm-hmm.
Does that sound good?
Yep.
Win the game.
What do we write?
So you're gonna write, the ball bounces twice in someone's square. They are out.
Add these squares.
Okay. So how do you win the game?
How do you win? Who wins?
How do you win the game?
Whoever gets to the queen and the king and never gets out.
By staying in there the longest?
It stays in
Maddie, what'd you say, babe?
the one that stays in the longest.
The one that stays in the longest?
Yeah.
Is that right, guys? Do y'all agree with that?
Yes.
Yep.
It
Okay.
stay in the spot the longest.
Wait, I'm trying to write the sentence.
Okay.
We meet again.
I can't write. Oh my gosh. Wait,
See ya, Carson.
like every time someone talks, it goes to their screen while I'm trying to write down and look at your screen.
Okay, where are you at right now? What have you written so far?
I'm at someone's
Someone's square, they are out. Someone's square, they are out.
they are out.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
So the last one, is it the last one who's in wins, or whoever stays the king the longest? How do you win the game?
Whoever just stays the king the longest.
Okay. So we're gonna forget this part.
Miss Hockey, where do we write this at?
You don't have to write this part, okay?
Is this at the bottom?
You have room if you want to write it, you can at the bottom. But it says whoever stays the king the longest wins, okay? That's how the game ends.
Whoever stays the king.
Is that all the work that we have to do?
We're going to do one more thing real quick, and then we'll be done, okay?
Okay.
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 So, hold on one second. All right, let me know when you have that written or when you're ready for the next thing. Thumbs up. Okay. So we're going to use our time order chart to kind of write a paragraph about the game, okay?
I don't have any room to write write anything.
So do you guys have a piece of notebook paper with you? Or can you grab one?
I can grab one.
Go grab one real fast.
Yeah.
We're always ready to go. She just like rip that thing out.
No, I had it.
Got it. Just a piece of paper. If you have the back of one of your worksheets you can write on, or a piece of notebook paper, that'd be great.
Wait, let me see if I have a back. Yeah, I have a back.
Darkness, my friend, we meet again.
Miss Lackey. Miss Lackey.
Yes, sir. Yes, Max.
Is this good?
I can't find any notebook paper.
That's all right.
Good.
All right, are we all good?
Is this good?
Yep, that's perfect. Just a
Okay.
blank piece of paper that you can write on, okay?
Right.
Perfect. Yep, good. Max,
Let
do
me
you have
come
the
around. I
back
got
of,
it in my
Max, do
sheet.
you have the back of a paper you can use? That
Huh?
doesn't have anything on the back? Do you have the schedule? Do you have the schedule, buddy?
I think I have some tiny pieces of notebook paper. I didn't think those would work, but I'm gonna go try.
Okay. Huh? No, he didn't. Okay, so at the top of your paper, what you're going to write is
Sure. Oh, sorry.
how to play Foursquare. Okay, can you write that at the top? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think so. How to play Foursquare. All right, so with the first thing that we're going to write together, guys, Bailey, you awake? The first thing that we're going to write together is our topic sentence, okay? So our topic sentence, it opens up our paragraph. It kind of tells our readers what we're about to write about, okay? So our topic sentence is probably going to be something like, Foursquare is a fun game that you can play with your friends. So it's like introducing what we're talking about, okay? So Foursquare is a fun game that you can play with your friends.
How to play for
Okay.
It's fun to play.
No, Foursquare is a fun game. To play with your friends.
Okay, so that is our topic sentence.
Slacky,
Yes.
you might have to wait a little bit because I forgot to put the keys in square.
All right. We're kind of getting pretty close, guys. I know we've been zooming for an hour. So I think what we'll do is we'll stop right here and we'll pick up here tomorrow, finishing out this paragraph, okay? I just want you to make sure that you have our time chart, time order chart, and then make sure you have this first sentence written on your paper, okay? Now keep track of that paper. Don't lose it, okay? Because we're going to use that tomorrow, all right?
Bye.
All right, let me pray for you before you leave, okay? And then I'll show it back up here, and then you can finish writing it, and then leave when you need to, okay? But I'm just gonna pray for us before we go, okay? Jesus, I just thank you for a day together on Zoom, Lord. I thank you for just giving us knowledge and teaching us new things, God, that we can use to build your kingdom and to glorify you. I just pray over these students, Lord, that you keep them safe and that we can continue to grow together and to learn from you. Just thank you so much for loving us. We love you a lot. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, so once you have that written, you can log off. We will see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow.
Aubrey.
See ya.
Bye.
Hey, Maddie. Hey, Aubrey. Want to chit
Hey.
chat? Let's chit chat.
Chit chat.
I hear you.
Bye.
Yep.
Hey, Aubrey.
Hey, Aubrey.
Hey,
Hey, Aubrey.
hello.
Hey, on and chit.
You can't run away from